Hi! Today I'm showing me dyeing my hair with the Madison Reed hair color kit, and I used the shade Slay Latte. So this is how my hair looked before. It has some reddish tones from a section that had been lightened, and I have semi-permanent dye over it. And I've used this kit before, but this is a different shade. Last time I used Brunette Bombshell, and I really liked the results. So I know I like this hair color kit, and at the time I'm recording this voiceover, I bought 2 more shades when they were on sale at Ulta. So it's definitely a really nice at-home coloring kit. I did this hair color about like 5 weeks ago, and I was sick when I was doing my hair, so I didn't want to talk in the video and sound sick, so I thought I would just record a voiceover, but it took me a little while to get around to editing it, but I still wanted to share it because I think it's a really great hair color kit. So I'm just going to speed through here, showing the process of me applying the color, and after that I let it sit in my hair for 30 minutes, washed it out with the shampoo and conditioner that came in the kit, and then the next day I styled it with my straightener, and I added some oil to the ends of my hair, and it turned out really nice. So I highly recommend these Madison Reed color kits, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for being here.